Okay, this is part 2 of the review video. Okay, so really quickly, now you're going to, these are level 3 questions. You're going to have parentheses. Again, everything that is inside those parentheses are locked up. You cannot combine them with other things until it's unlocked. So you need to distribute to get rid of the parentheses. So distribute here. We have 4 times x, which is 4x. Bring down the minus sign. 4 times 2 is 8. And then just everything else you do not touch, you need to just rewrite it. And then I'm going to combine any like terms. So 4x and 3x, you want to combine those. Do you see how we have a minus sign after it? That minus goes with this 8. So don't worry about that. I need to worry about 4x plus 3x, which is 7x. Again, so I combine these two circles, just rewrite that minus 8 equals 31. Then I need to add 8 on both sides. 7x equals 39. Again, these are not nicely numbers. Then divide by 7 on both sides, and I get x equals 5 and 4, no, yeah, 7s. Again, you're going to be able to take a calculator and do like 30, it's going to be like 42 divided by 7, and then you would actually get like 6, like whole numbers. I believe you will get whole numbers for most of them. All right. And also, I am going to put quickly on these, but use a calculator. Take your time on them. Let the calculator do some of the big work for you. Okay, so -5. So we have -5x, bringing down the minus. -5 times 1 is a -5. Again, I see a minus a negative, so that becomes plus. Equals 25 minus 2x minus 15. So I can combine like terms, right? The 25 and the 15, which equals 10 minus 2x. So I have -5x plus 5. Please stop. Please stop. Plus 5x on both sides. So 5 is left. I have not touched that one. 10. -2 plus 5 is a positive 3x. Subtract 10 on both sides. 5 minus 10 is a -5 equals 3x. Divide by 3 on both sides. So we get a -1 and 2/3. Again, this is going to be nice, neat numbers. But take a calculator. So if this was like, this will be like -15 divided by 3. And then it's a -5, right? A negative divided by a positive is a negative. Okay, our next one. We have 15 minus 2 times the quantity. This -2, or this 2 is negative, and you're distributing that negative within here. So I'm just going to rewrite the 15, then -6x, -10 equals 30 plus 6x. So 15 minus 10 is 5, and then minus 6x equals 30 plus 6x. Now right away you think, oh, this might be, I have 6x on both sides. And you might want to say, oh, that's a no solution or an identity. No, you can, they're not the same. One's a negative, one's a positive. So I'm going to go ahead and add 6x on both sides. This will cancel out. This one will not. So 5 equals 30 plus 12x. Subtract 30 on both sides. So then I get -25 equals 12x. Divide by 12, divide by 12. Again, this is going to be nice, neat numbers. You can put it into a calculator, get a whole number. But this is 2 and 1/12. It has to be negative equals x because one of them is negative. Okay. This one, again, I think you might just, on the test, I can't remember, you might just have to set up the problem and not actually solve it. But for a year cell phone plan, you can either pay $20 per month plus a yearly fee of $300 or $55 per month. So, or how many months would you have to buy for it to be the same? Just write the equation. So same, the same is going to be an equal sign, right? So you're going to have the $20 per, see that, per? So that means per month. So that means I'm going to be multiplying it. And then plus the 300, and then set it equal to just $55 per month. Again, I could solve this and figure out how many, yeah. So that's it. Okay.